Okay, so we need to look and spend some time with array formula. And I urge all of you to pay extra attention and do some extra practice for this because this is kind of master key. Not master key exactly, but this is something that is used with all the functions. Not all the functions, there are some exceptions, but it is, you can say it's very widely used and it's very powerful too. Now, what is the use of this? Let us take one example over here and say we want to let's hide them. Now we want to calculate total bookmark plus check-in. Let's delete all these. So bookmark plus check-in. So what we are going to do, we will write over here this plus this, and then we will drag it down. Now for some time, let me remove the equal to sign so we can see what exactly is the function. Now you see what is happening. There is a proper pattern. There are only two variables. One is moving from N2 to N3, 4, 5, 6. Other is moving from O2 to O3, 4, 5, 6. So there is a pattern in the function. What array formula does is, if there is a pattern, then we replace these multiple formulas. So right now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 formulas written in this 8 cell. If we drag it down, let's say we have 1000 rows. So there are 1000 formulas that are written. Instead of this, what we can write is, I think, let me do that again. Let me again remove this. And we write equal to array formula. And the first argument is N2, which is going from N2 to N3 to N4, N5. Now let's say I want to find for first 10 of these. So it will go up to N11, right? Starting from N2 up to N11. So we write like this, N2 to N11 plus the second argument of the add, which is O2. This will also go from O2 to O11. So we'll write O2 to O11. Now this works exactly same like this. You see the answer, the result is exactly same. So although we just have one function written in this cell, the answer is expanding up to here because we have told the array formula that start from N2 and go all the way up to N11, and start from O2 go all the way to O11. So what this will do is, in first row it will take N2 and O2. In second row it will take N3 and O3. In third row it will take N4 and O4, N5 and O5 till it reaches N11. Now I want to get this for the complete range, not just till up to O11. So we can simply say N2 to N, like go up to the end of the N, and O2 to O. Now this covers all the range, but what is happening is, it is going below the data that we have. So in the system we only have data up to line 452, but after that it found, okay, nothing is here, nothing is here, it means nothing plus nothing is 0, nothing is here, nothing is here, it means 0. Not found, we cannot add a string, so it is giving an error. Now how to fix these things? Forget about array formula for 1 minute and think how would have you solved it without array formula. So one way could have been equal to, if length of column A is greater than 0, length returns the length of the string. So we write if statement and say, if length of A2 is greater than 0. What does that mean? That A2 is not blank. Then what you should do? You should add bookmark plus check-in. If it is false, like length of A2 is actually 0, means column A is actually blank, then simply put blank. So inverted comma open, inverted comma close is equal of saying a blank string. Now this is giving 2838. Now let's drag it down and drag it down all the way up to over here. Now you see, although this has the formula, but nothing is getting printed because actually it is printing this, the blank one. So we don't see anything and the data looks more clean. Why it is doing like this? Because it is checking length of A453. A453 is this one, which is blank. So the condition says if length of A453 is greater than 0. Now this is definitely false because there is nothing written in A453. So length of a blank statement is 0. It is not greater than 0. So this part is ignored and the system is executing this part, which is the blank. So it is just printing a blank. Now, since we have received the answer, we have achieved the answer without using array formula, we are going to convert this into an array formula. Now, what is the pattern that is moving? This particular thing, length of A2, this is length of A3, this is length of A4, and this is similar as previous, N2, N3, N4, and O2, O3, O4. So over here, let's remove this from here so that we can see what is the function. Now we are just going to replicate this and write equal to array formula. Array formula is written always at the outermost. Inside array formula, we write if len of A2 to A is greater than 0, then N2 to N plus O2 to O. If the logic is false, then print blank. If statement is closed, array formula is closed. Now we have the exactly same result, but we don't have anything if there is no value in the column A. If column A is blank, let's drag this. Okay. So if column A is blank, we don't have any value over here. Remember one thing, if you write something over here, let's say I write Shahbaz, this entire column goes away. Reason is, for you it might look that this is blank, but actually it's not blank. A blank string is being printed through array formula. So this is a part of array formula, and now what you have done is you have interrupted. Now see what is the error that we received. Array result was not expanded because it would overwrite data in AC455. AC455 is this, AC455. So there is something written over here, and because of which array formula is not able to expand. Now we can delete this and it comes back again. Now we want to get rid of these errors. We don't want to see because that is not looking good. So what we can say, this is the function that is running over here. If I show you this is the function that is running in case the condition is true. So remember we had something called if error, whose work was if everything is okay, then just execute this. If this is returning any error, then execute the second argument. So we are going to add over here if error in this function N2 to N plus O2 to O, then print blank if error is closed. So when if statement is correct, this if statement is true, then this entire function gets executed. And what is this function? If error N2 to N plus O2 to O. So if you find any error in this, then simply print blank. Now this is the end of true, and again the false is anyway simply blank string. Now if we go down, we see earlier it was error, but now it is blank. Wherever it found error, the if error statement converted that to a blank string. Let us see few more examples how to use array formula in the next video. As I said, we are going to spend some time on array formula because you guys need to be very comfortable with this function, as this is very powerful and we will be using it a lot. And even when we do project at the end of this course, you will see that we use array formula a lot. And so you should have a very good hands on this function.